7. Okay. Now we are here in the second chapter, that is fractions and decimals. In that already I completed exercise 2.1 and 2.2. Okay. Now the topic we are learning is multiplication of fraction by fraction. Now already in the previous exercise we have learnt that fraction by a whole number or whole number by a fraction we have learnt how to multiply. Now we learn multiplication of fraction by fraction. See, very easy students. See, suppose 2 by 3 is a fraction and 3 by 4 is a fraction. How to multiply? Okay. See, first when you write two fractions, given two fractions, if there is any cancellation possible, you have to cancel it. Is it possible? Yes. And one more thing you have to remember here, in the multiplication and division also, there will be no LCM of the denominators. LCM is taken only for the addition and subtraction of the fractions. Please remember. Most of the students will make the mistake in this only. In the test and exams, so many years I am observing that students will take the LCM even for the multiplication and division also. No. That will be taken, that LCM will be taken only for addition and subtraction. In between two fractions, if there is addition, okay, LCM is taken. If there are different denominators. Here in place of multiplication, if there is subtraction, yes, LCM is taken for the different denominators. If the same denominator, you know how to do that one. Okay, this is what the point you have to remember carefully. Here multiplication means very easy. What to do? First you have to observe whether the cancellation is possible or not. Yes. If it is possible, you cancel it, write the answer. If it is not possible, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Finish. Now here there is possibility of cancellation. How it is? 3 got cancelled and 2 ones are 2 2s are. Now see, 1 into 1, 1 only. The numerator is 1. 1 2s are 2. Finish. Answer is 1 by 2. Suppose there is no possibility of cancellation. What to do? See, for example, this is example 1. Next example I am going to take, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Here no cancellation. So what to do? Numerator to numerator. 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. 3 into 2. That is 1 1s are 1. 3 2s are 6. This is the multiplication of fraction by fraction, fraction by fraction. Okay? If there is cancellation, if there is no cancellation. Some more I will take. See, 3 by 5 into 4 by 7. Is there any cancellation? No. We can't. So what to do? 3 into 4, numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator product. Yes, 3 4s are 12, 5 7s are 35. Even here also, if there is possibility of cancellation, you have to cancel it. Is there any? No. 12 by 35 is the answer. Okay. This is what method of multiplication of fraction by fraction. Very easy. So try to understand clearly and we solve the exercise now. How to find out the product of this? Just numerator to product of numerator to numerator divided by product of denominator into denominator. Okay. This is what the method. I think here there are no points. Direct we will go for the exercise since it is very easy. Now I start the exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2 See here in the first main, find. First main, find. In that first one, 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. You know what is the meaning of off? Given problem is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. What is off? Off means multiplication. Always the operation off is nothing but it is multiplication. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Is there any cancellation possible? No. Then what to do? Numerator to numerator we have to find out the product. That is 1 into 1 divided by 4 into 4. That is 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. This is the answer. Okay? Very simple sums will be there. So better just try to understand the concept. Very easy concept it is. So take it properly. The next one is 1 by 4 of. So better this will be the problem. So that I get the place, sufficient place to continue. Next 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Second one is 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 5. After writing these two fractions, you just see or observe it. Is there any cancellation possible? No. Then we can proceed to the next step, that is 1 into 3 divided by 4 into 5. 1 3s are 3, 4 5s are 20. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Then next 1 by 4 of, in the first main, in the first only, this is A. You should not get confusion number, that's what. B. Now I am doing C. That is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. You know what is 1 by 4 of means into 4 by 3. I told you to observe once. Yes. Now 4 cancellation is possible. Even you proceed also, in the last step you have to cancel. That is also correct. But here cancelling is easy for you. Work will be less. Steps are less. See here 4 will be getting cancelled. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Now 1 into 1. 1 into 3. 1 by 3 is the answer. Otherwise what happens if you don't cancel here? 1 4s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now here you have to cancel. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Answer is 1 by 3. This one step is extra. That's all. But finally you have to get the answer 1 by 3. Okay. If you keep the answer 4 by 12, you may lose 1/4 mark. Sometimes half mark also. Here cancellation is also very important. You must learn the cancellation in this stage only perfectly. Okay. So this is what method of learning. These all small minute things. So that in the higher class very easily you can do the mathematics sums. Okay. So the second main, in the first main only, this is now the second. Second, 1 by 7 of A. This is 1 by 7 of 2 by 9. 1 by 7 of means into 2 by 9. After this step, you just observe, is there any cancellation is possible? No. Then what to do? Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. That is 1 into 2, 2. 7 9s are 63. Here any cancellation, just you observe. Here it is not possible means automatically here also it is not possible. But still just have one watch. No, 2 by 63. Okay, this will be the answer. Then Next one, that is B. 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. 1 by 7 of 6 by 5. Okay. 1 by 7 of means into. Then it is 6 by 5. See, 1 into 6. You can write this step or directly you can do. 1 6 is a 6. 7 5 is a 35. 6 by 35 is the answer. Then C. 1 by 7 of 3 by 10. 3 by 10. Okay. 1 by 7 of means into 3 by 10. Is there any cancellation? No. So 1 3s are 3, 7 10s are 70. This will be the answer. This is what I think first main completed. Now the second main, multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Okay. Second main, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Okay. In that first one 2 by 3 into 2 integer 2 by 3. See, 2 by 3 first you write as it is into, this is mixed fraction. First we have to convert into improper fraction. How? This 2 multiplication, the product what we are getting here, we have to add to this. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8 by 3. Now any cancellation is possible. Cancellation how to do, I told you. Either cross like this or numerator denominator, not side by side. Okay. Now here side by side we can cancel. No, that is the wrong rule. We cannot. We are not allowed to cancel side by side. 3 3 2 4. No. 2 and 8 are there. 2 1s are 2 4s are. No, we cannot. Okay, that is not the rules of the mathematics. How? Up and down. Numerator to denominator or crosswise. Here it is not possible. So then what to do? 2 8s are 16. 3 3s are 9. In the mixed fraction, 9 1s are 9. Here in the 16, 9 1 means 7 remained. One integer 7 by 9. Or if not means you can divide. In the previous exercise I have shown you. 9 1s are 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. One integer 7 by 9. Like that you can write the answer. Okay. Now the second one. Second, 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9. See here, you observe how the sum is there. 7 7 got cancelled. 2 divided by 9, direct answer only. Finish. This will be the answer. Then third one. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. See here. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Okay. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Here we can cancel. 2 3s are 2 2s are. Okay now. 3 3s are 9. 8 2s are 16. We cannot cancel here. This will be the answer. Then the next one is fourth one, that is 9 by 5 into 3 by 5. 3 by 5. No cancellation. 9 3s are 27. 5 5s are 25. Answer 25 1s are 25. Here 2 remain, 1 integer. 2 by 25 will be answer. Then the next one is fifth one, that is 1 by 3 into 15 by 18. See here, 1 by 3 into 15 by 8, not 18. Here see, 3 1s are 3, 5s are 5 1s are 5, 8 1s are 8. 5 by 8 is the answer. Next, sixth one, 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. See, no cancellation is possible. 11 threes are 33, 2 tens are 20. Now 21s are 20. One integer 13 by 20 will be the answer. The next one is seventh one. That is 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. Is there any cancellation? No. Then 4 into 12, 12. 12 fours are 48. 5 sevens are 35. Now here any cancellation? No. So then what to do? One integer. 48 here. 13 by 35. Okay. This will be the answer. So this is what the second main finished. Now third and fourth main I will do is copy this. Now the third main, multiply the following fractions. See, the first one is 2 by 5 into 5 integer 1 by 4. 2 by 5 into, see, 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Now you see, is there any cancellation possible? Yes. See here, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 21 ones are 21, 5 twos are 10. Okay. Now see, this is improper. Always we have to keep the answer in simplest form. Remember this. Improper fraction is not simplest form, because again when we divide this 21 by 10, we get one more mixed fraction. Always we have to keep the fractions in the simplest form. Please remember this. So 10 twos are 20. Here 1 remain. 2 integer 1 by 10. Please all of you learn this method. Very easy to write this one. See, 10 twos are 20. Here 2 you have to write 10 twos are 20. Here 21 minus 20 is 1. So here in the numerator 1. This will be the answer. Very very important and easy also to write you. The second one is second one, 6 integer 2 by 5 into 7 by 9. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2, 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Now you see, any cancellation you have to observe, then you can proceed next. If not, you can proceed. Here 32, here 5, no. 7, 9, cross, no. Here, no. 32. Then we can proceed. 7 2s are 14, carrying 1. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22. 9 5s are 45. Here. Now in such cases, you have to divide and get the answer in the working column. See here, 224 divided by 45. 45 4s or 5s are 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, no, 22. Then it will be 4s only. 4s means it will be 180. 4, okay, 44. 4 integer 44 by 45 is the answer. 4 integer 44 by 45 is the answer. Okay. Then next, third one, in the third main, that is 3 by 2 into 5 integer 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 1, 16 by 3. I told you to observe. So yes, here 3 3 got cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 8s are 8 1s are 8. 8 by 1 is nothing but 8 is the answer. See, some problems will be very easy. Just in the 1 or 2 steps you can complete it. Then the next one, that is fourth one, 5 by 6 into 2 integer 3 by 7. 5 by 6 into 7 to the 14. 14 plus 3. 17 by 7. Is there any cancellation? No. Then 17 5s are 7 5s are 35, carrying 3, 5 is 5 plus 3, 85, 6 7s are 42. See now, here 2 integer, 42 2s are 84, here 1 remained. So 42 2s are 84, 84 plus 1, 85 by 42. 2 integer 1 by 42 will be the answer. Then the next one is, that is fifth one. Fifth one, 3 integer 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. See, no possibility of cancellation. 68, 17 4s are 68. Then 7 5s are 35. Now 35 1s are 35. Then 1 integer 33 by 35. See, 35 ones are 35. 35 plus 33, 68. 68 divided by 35 we will get. So like this, learn to write the mixed fraction in a direct way. Okay, it's easy for you. It saves your time also, even in the exams and all. So the next one, that is sixth one. Sixth one, 2 integer 3 by 5 into 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 13 by 5 into 3. 13 3s are 39 by 5. Here see, 5 9s are 5 7s are 35. 4 remain. 7 integer 4 by 5 will be the answer. Then next, seventh one. Seventh one, the third main, this is last. 3 integer 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4, 25 by 7 into 3 by 5. You just observe here, yes, cancellation is possible. 5 1s are 5, 5s are 5 3s are 15 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. 2 integer 1 by 7 will be the answer. This completes the third main. Now the fourth main, which is greater. Which is greater. You just copy this because that much place is not sufficient. You copy this. Fourth main I do next. Now the fourth main, which is greater. Here, this is one pair, this is one pair. We go on seeing and then we will finalize which is greater. See now, this implies that 2 by 7 half means into 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 half means into 5 by 8. See now, this is one set, this is one set. Here cancellation is possible. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So after that 3 1s are 3, 7 2s are 14. Then or here see 5 5 got cancelled. 3 by 8. Now how to find out which is greater? Cross multiplication will do. Now see here, 8 3s are 24 or 14 3s are 42. Which is greater here? This is greater. This implies that 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. This implies that 3 by 8 means what? This one. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. I hope this is clear to you. Okay? Then next one. Second one. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. See here. 1 by 2 of means into 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of means into 3 by 7. See here, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So this is 3 ones are 3 by 7 or 3 got cancelled, 2 by 7. Now both are same denominator. Then which is bigger here? Bigger numerator will be bigger. So 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. So this implies that 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. This is what the method of doing the sums. Then the 5th, 6th and 7th main are for your home assignment. Okay, that you have to do. Now the 8th main I will do. 8th main. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into dash is equal to 10 by 30. See, direct answers I will do. Any of all are having the book now. You just copy the question and then you do the first one. 2 by 3 into dash, 2 by 3 into box is equal to 10 by 30. 10 by 30. See here. Here we have to write one fraction such that we have to get here 10 by 30. With what number I have to multiply with 2 to get here 10? 5s are. Okay. Then this implies that 2 by 3 or, okay, that only 2 by 3 into 5. Here with what number I have to multiply 3 to get 30? 10. 5 by 10. 2 5s are 10. 3 10s are 30. So this is what in the box 10 by 30. So like this you have to get the answer. The simplest form of the number obtained in the box, that is second one. This is the first, second one. In the box is 5 by 10. Simplest form is 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 1 by 2. The simplest form in the box is 1 by 2. This is answer for the second one. Then this is for A first, second. Then B. In the B, first one. Provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 into box is equal to 24 by 75. See, with what number I have to multiply with 3 to get 24? 3 8s are 24. 3 by 5 into 8. Okay. 5 is there, 75 is there. With what number I have to multiply 5 to get the 75? 15. 5 15s are 75 or 15 5s are 75. So this will be the number in the box. That is fraction in the box. That is B, first one. Second one, the simplest form of the number obtained in the box, that is 8 by 15 is the simplest form. 8 by 15 only. Why? Because we cannot cancel here. 8 and 15 are not there in the same table. So the 8 by 15 itself is the answer. So this is what the answer. 8 by 15 is equal to 8 by 15. We cannot cancel it. This is what the 8th main. Okay. So 2.3 exercise is got over. In that 5th, 6th, 7th main. I didn't do. Why? Because from the department it has been given that home assignment sums there. You have to do in your house. So by this what exercise 2.3 completed. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe my channel.